Loaded with nutrients, spirulina is one of the most sought-after superfoods today. It is now available in the form of tablets, capsules, and even powder that you can add to smoothies. Spirulina is the blue-green algae that are in fact partly responsible for the presence of oxygen in the atmosphere, which eventually allowed other small organisms to develop on Earth billions of years ago. What is really fascinating is that it is an edible algae, and can truly be an effective vitamin supplement. Being the oldest life form on Earth, it is interesting to note that spirulina was used by the Aztec people in Mexico in the 16th century. Later it was cultivated in Chad, which is surrounded by Libya, Sudan, and Nigeria. However, it did not become a major part of the diet of the people till the 1960s. By the 1970s it had attained worldwide production and was on its way to becoming the most nutritious food source. Just like a lot of people detest consuming aloe vera due to its bitter taste, it is the same case with spirulina. It tastes slightly bitter, thus is usually mixed with fruit juice or yogurt to improve the taste. Spirulina is a form of cyanobacteria, which grows in fresh, warm lakes. In India, it is widely cultivated in Auroville, Tamil Nadu. The hot climate in the southern parts of India helps aid spirulina growth using eco-friendly methods with minimal usage of pesticides and other harmful farming chemicals. Benefits of spirulina. Spirulina is considered to be an all-in-one source of nutrients. In fact, it even has the potential to overpower meat and eggs as protein sources in the years to come. Dr. Anju Sood, a renowned nutritionist, suggests a list of benefits of spirulina. 1. Excellent source of proteins. Due to its high source of protein content, spirulina is frequently referred to as the lean, green, protein machine. In order to keep our health and well-being intact, a certain amount of protein is required by the human body. While non-vegetarians gain this protein through meat and eggs, spirulina is an excellent alternative for vegetarians. It consists of 60% proteins, most of which are plant-based. Proteins are essential to enhance the functioning of the heart as well as improve our hair health. 2. Helps build immunity. The immune system is made of T cells, B cells, and natural immune cells. Spirulina consists of certain elements that improve the functioning of these cells and hence builds the immune system. 3. Improves digestion. Spirulina contains amino acids that provide digestive enzymes, which facilitates healthy digestion. It also helps fight intestinal infections as it has immune cells, which fight off virus and thus promote digestion. 4. A great source of antioxidants. Carotenoid is the world's most powerful antioxidant, and spirulina is a rich source of this. An increase in free radicals in the body tends to aid wrinkling, bad skin, and could also lead to cancer and heart diseases. Antioxidants work wonders to fight against free radicals. 5. Good for growing children. Spirulina facilitates healthy growth of children due to its numerous nutrients. It improves eyesight, helps build concentration, builds muscular growth as well as enhances tissue development. 6. Improves energy levels. Dr. Anju Sood says 1 gram of protein gives the individual 4 kilocalories of energy, and since spirulina is loaded with proteins, it works as a great energy booster. 7. Anti-inflammatory properties. Spirulina contains phycocyanin, which helps fight free radicals. This substance gives spirulina its great anti-inflammatory properties. To sum it up, spirulina is a boon for the body, regardless of the age of the individual. It is known to be one of the most powerful natural sources both to the environment as well as human beings to maintain a healthy balance. The best way to make the most of these nutrient-rich algae is to consume it raw. However, today it is also available in powdered form as a vitamin supplement. Please note, spirulina as a vitamin supplement must only be consumed after consultation with a doctor or a specialist.